Everyone, in today's video, I will show you how to fix the build verification issue on the Poppo Live app. First, open your Poppo Live app and log into your account. Go to your profile where you will see the authentication option. If you are trying to authenticate and archive an error message, make sure you are following the process correctly. The first requirement is to upload a clear photo of yourself. Ensure the photo meets the condition. However, if you have followed all the instructions and it still fails, it might be because you have already authenticated another account in the past. In that case, you cannot authenticate a new account. You must use already authenticated account. If you don't have any previously authenticated account, double check that you are following all the instructions properly. It will include a video at end of this one showing how to successfully authenticate your Poppo Live account. Which should help you resolve any challenges. That's all for fixing the build verification issue on Poppo Live. Thank you for watching.